Model, 2016 Plate Peugeot Boxer 335L3H2 2.2 HDI minibus wheelchair disability access ideal camper VAT inclusive in final price. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 160794. MOT, the 19th of May 2025. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a jump start, runs with a rattle. Timing chain has slipped. Straightforward timing chain replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, wheelchair lift. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.